This video, we're going to talk about how do you make money on Facebook, specifically in the Ads on Reels program. Yes, you can post simple Reels videos, short videos on your Facebook page or profile and get paid just like this. So last 28 days, this page has made $358. And then you can see individually how much money each reel has also made. If I click on see all, I can see how much money each reel that I'm posting. Sometimes it's actually, look at this, $7 from one reel, only 14-second reel. Look at this. This is so cool. So we're going to talk all about this Ads on Reels program on Facebook, the invite, eligibility, tracking, RPMs, how do you maximize your earnings to get paid from Facebook, all of that. Before we jump into it, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this, and also subscribe. All right, let's talk about what is this Ads on Reels program. So what this really is, let me go back here on your Facebook page. So here I am on my Facebook page. This is one of my pages. When you create reels, let me go here. When you create short videos called reels, the advertisers will show ads. If I see any, I'll let you know, but the advertiser will show ads, and then Facebook takes a cut of that ad, and you as the creator of reels, you will take a cut of the other ads. So normally they appear at the bottom, and it just depends. Right now I'm not seeing any ads. Sometimes I see an ad in like 2 or 3 scrolls, but that's how you know you are in the ads program. That's how you're getting paid. It's kind of like YouTube's AdSense program, where YouTube takes a cut of the ads, and then you as the creator of the content, you get paid too. So it's really, really cool. If you're creating content on Facebook, why not get paid as well, right? Now, a couple of things. It is an invitation only. So how do you get invited into that program? There are 2 places you want to pay attention to or look. One is the notification. So make sure on your page you're looking at the notifications, because you're going to see a notification here, and it's going to be something like this. So these are notifications from people, but you can tell this is kind of different. This is from Facebook. You'll see an invite, and that's how you will know that you got into the Ads on Reels program. On this page, it was a while ago, so I don't think I'll see it right now, but there's another place where you can see. So let me click on the settings again, and then click on view tools. Now scroll down, and you're gonna see a section. You are in the professional dashboard, so that's where you need to be, and you'll see a section called monetization. Ooh, it's not loading up, so let me kill my Facebook and bring it back up, because sometimes it's here you go. Let me actually just go to from your settings, you can just simply go to the professional dashboard as well, and now scroll down, and the monetization, yes. So under tool, monetization will appear, and look at this. If you're not eligible for the Ads on Reels, it will show up in this list. But if it's on the top here, that means you are invited, you're eligible, you are in the program, and you can track all of your earnings here. That's how you can check. Now, what are some of the eligibility criteria? So let's take a look at those. So eligibility requirements for Ads on Reels program, it's actually really simple. You got to be invited, so you will see an invitation on your page in your dashboard, so keep an eye on that, but at the same time, make sure you are posting consistently on your pages. All the pages where I have Ads on Reels program, I was posting consistently, so don't drop the ball. And then your page, you must be a page or a new page with professional mode. So if it's a profile, you can get Ads on Reels on pages and also profile, but your profile needs to be in a professional mode. Just remember that. And then you must remain compliant with Facebook's policies. So that means no bad content, no cursing. You must be 18 years and old. And then here are all the countries that are eligible, and it's a huge list. So I'm sure your country is going to be in this list. So it's not only in the US, it is in the other countries as well. So really simple requirements. Be over 18 and create good content and post consistently, and then you will see that invite. Now let's talk about the tracking. So for tracking, we're going to go back here. All of your tracking is in this dashboard. If you want to, first thing, if you want to for some reason disable this, you click here on the setting icon, and now you can enable or disable reels. If you are in the program, I don't know why you would want to disable it. I would just keep it on. All right, let's go back, and now here You can see all the insights. Last 28 days, this page has made $358. And like I said in the beginning, this page, I'm not creating content to maximize views and to maximize earnings. This is a business page, so we have other ways to monetize. But if you create content with good hooks, to get a lot of views, to go viral, you can make a lot of money. I know people who make over $10,000. By the way, do stay till the end, because I'm going to show you how this is ads on Reels on Facebook. There's also ads on Reels program for Instagram, so you can also get paid on Instagram for the Reels. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you that video as well. Now, if I click here, see all, I can see the individual money. So here's a reel. This reel made 80 cents, 46 cents, $3. Ooh, it's almost $7 in this 14-second reel. So I wish there was a way to sort this. TikTok has a way to sort the highest paying. Facebook right now do not, but you can get an idea. What I would do is go through the reels that are making more money, and then if I click here, I can't open it, but you can kind of see this was posted on September 11th, and then go on your page and check that. But make a note of the reels that are making a lot of money, so you can make more content like this. So here's another one, almost $3. Ooh, look at this, only 8-second reel, and then this reel has made $7. That's awesome. So 10 seconds. So you can identify. Ooh, look at this. This is awesome. 13-second reel. And this reel has made $22. See how you can find a pattern. Make a list of the reels that are making the most money, and then what you can do is go back to your page. So let me show. You can go back to your page and then go find those reels and study them, what type of hooks you use in the beginning, and then what type of content it is. Maybe it's a specific type of content that's making more money, and then you can create more of that content and make even more money, right? So that's how you can maximize your income from ads on Reel. Now, there's one huge tip that I want to give you. So let's say I want to create a reel on this page. I'll click on the reels and then click on this icon on the top, and let's see. Now I can upload something from my computer, or I can upload the camera. I can record something with the camera. Here's my messy desk. Let me record the reel. But the biggest tip is do not, so hit next, do not use any music. So I've seen a lot of people, so when you click on audio, don't use original audio, don't add any music. So if you click on add music, here's the for you recommended music. Don't use any music. I don't use any songs on my ads on Reels on Facebook. Ads on Reels on Instagram is different, TikTok is different, but one thing I've seen is it's still the ads on Reels using music for ads on Reels on Facebook. It causes sometimes issue. You get warnings like, hey, you're not creating copyright issues, or you're not creating original content. So to be safe, only use original voice. That's my recommendation. That's my number one tip, that if you want to maximize your earnings from Facebook ads on Reels program. And if you look here, I did get this notification, which is on the top. You're invited to use licensed music. Recently, just a couple of days ago, I got this invitation. So even Facebook in the past, they kind of discouraged people from using music. Now they're saying, hey, you can use licensed music, but I would still stay away from it. So for Facebook to make more money, no music. For TikTok and Instagram, you can definitely use music. It's a little different there. Now, any question about ads on Reels on Facebook to make money, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video about ads on Reels on Instagram. Let's make some more money on Instagram as well. Bye for now.